Hi everyone, so I finally brought this beast downstairs to the garage, and I've connected a heavy-duty car starter capable of outputting 200 amps. Right now it will be running at 35 amps supplying, judging from the configuration switch here, and just simple bare naked wire connections to the alligator clips, and I got some water. I'm going to pour some in without the electrolyte, sodium peroxide, and how much gas it makes. Very first test run, and I'll show you once the water is in, and hopefully it'll start bubbling.